Thinking about trying the Onaise Cayenne Pepper Cleanse? It claims to detox your body, boost energy, and even help with weight loss. But does it actually do anything, or is it just a hype? Let's find out. Well, quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Alright, so the drops combine cayenne pepper with other natural ingredients and the site looks pretty legit. But on Trustpilot, reviews are mixed. Some say it helped with digestion or gave them more energy, others saw no difference or had shipping issues. There's also no solid scientific backing or third-party testing listed, which is something to keep in mind. So, is it a scam? Not really. It's a real product and it might help a bit, but don't expect a miracle cleanse. Results will likely vary. Tried on ice? Does it work or is it a waste? Drop your thoughts in the comments and hit like and subscribe for more no BS product reviews.